guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody that's new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video we're going to talk about Tesla stock. Now Tesla just reported their earnings, and this is their first earnings that they're going to be reporting while they have been part of the S&P 500. It's going to be very interesting just to see if they actually beat or met analyst expectations. So in this video I want to go over their earnings, what new developments and what new goals they are setting themselves up for heading into year 2021. We all know in 2020, they gained over 700% in shareholder value. So it's going to be very interesting just to see how they can move up a step further going into year 2021. And as always, I always try to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can to make sure you guys are more up-to-date with certain stocks, especially stocks like Tesla. So without further ado, guys, let's get on with the video. So Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA, right now after hours, guys, is trading at $820.40, dropping 5.06% after their earnings. Okay, so we can all see, like, you know, Tesla has been incredible of a company. They are one of these top of the line EV companies that they are in the EV space, right? You could just see their chart in the past week. Even though they did have a drop of 5% in after hours, this company is still increasing in value. Okay, they have a market cap of $819 billion. This is probably one of the most valued car making companies out there right now. Okay, so before we start talking about what actually happened in the earnings, I want to talk about one quick thing that happened during the earnings call. Okay, Tesla announced that they will be adding a brand new 1020 horsepower version of the Model X to its lineup, the 120,000 plain edition. Okay, just let's look at this beautiful car right here in Tesla's website. This is the Model X Plaid. Okay, these are some of the stats that they kind of snuck in that not many investors kind of knew about. Okay, this is the brand new version of the Model X. It's going to have a range of 340 miles, and it goes up to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Okay, nothing is actually confirmed, but this is what actually has been stated from Tesla. Okay, they have a 9.9 second quarter mile and a peak performance of 1,020 horsepower. Just look at this car, it's beautiful. So this car is going to be added to the lineup with a cost of $119,990, and deliveries are set to begin in April. So they probably already started production, but they're actually going to start sending it out during April. Okay, so this is going to be very incredible just to see how this car actually performs. It is going to be replacing the Model X Performance, which is no longer in Tesla's website. Okay, but then again, when it comes to Tesla, nothing is ever set in stone when it comes to Tesla. Okay, so now, after this beautiful announcement from Tesla, let's talk about their earnings and what actually portrayed in their earnings call. Well, Tesla notched their first full year of profit, aiding by $270 million fourth quarter net income. Okay, and that is very beautiful for a lot of investors. You can see how Elon Musk is happy about this. Okay, they did have a revenue of 270, but they still underperformed when it comes to Wall Street analysts. Okay, that's why the company and Tesla was down 5%, because even though it did beat revenue, it didn't meet analyst expectations. Okay, so let's see what exactly happened. Elon Musk automaker missed Wall Street's earnings expectation by about 20%. Okay, so Tesla fell short after the news. So Tesla's revenue was about $10.74 billion compared to an expected $10.33 billion. Again, when it comes to revenue, they actually beat expectations. But when it comes to the earnings, it was 80 cents per share compared to an expected $1.01 per share. Despite unforeseen global challenges, we outpaced many trends seen elsewhere in the industry as we significantly increased volumes, profitability, and cash generation, the company said in the press release. Okay, so also Tesla is going to be expected to actually start producing and delivering their semi-trucks in year 2021, which is going to be extremely powerful and extremely attractive for a lot of investors. Remember, Tesla is going to be introducing their new $25,000 sedan in year 2022. So this is just going to be revamping up of what they're actually going to be doing in the near future. Tesla's revenue from selling regulatory tax credits to other automakers, a significant catalyst for Tesla's 5 previous consecutive profits, grew to $2.24 billion, or about 1/5 of overall revenues. Okay, which is always, that's something that a lot of investors always, doubted. Why Tesla keeps on selling, tax credits to other revenues. But, it keeps on doing it, and this company is still making profit. As long as they're making profits, a lot of investors are happy, right? The company did not provide 2021 guidance for its automotive production, but it said it expects 50% average annual growth on a multi-year outlook. In 2020, it fell very slightly short of its 500,000 delivery goal. Tesla did deliver 499,995 vehicles. They were short 5,000 vehicles. I mean, it's still not too bad of a projection, but a lot of people consider that a loss. Let's say we compared that to Tesla. So they didn't really specifically say we're trying to go for this number this time. Okay, they're not trying to trick or have too many expectations for a lot of investors. They're trying to lowball a lot of investors, so when they do report earnings, they're actually outperforming investors' expectations, which is always a good thing, okay? Importantly, all eyes will be focused on the company's delivered unit guidance for 2021, with the trajectory looking like 750K to 800K, with our view that the 1 million threshold could be hit by 2022 for Tesla. Dan Ives, analyst at Weedbush, said in the notes to clients. Okay, which is good. Remember, Tesla is going to be producing many different things, and they're also selling many different products. More specifically with the brand new car and the brand new sedan that will be producing in year 2022, which is always going to be a good thing, okay? So their guidance growth, they're trying to grow 50% growth in deliveries. They didn't specifically say year over year. They did say it, in a couple years threshold, okay? So a lot of investors should not take that out of context. It may not be 50% in year 2021. It could be 50% by year 2022, for example, okay? But still, 50% in growth in deliveries is going to be very impactful. Remember, they are still trying to finish the development of the new factories in Texas and over there and finish it over in Shanghai. Remember, in year 2020, Tesla was closed for 2 months because of COVID. So they didn't really produce too many vehicles in the United States because of COVID, but they still almost beat how many deliveries they were trying to predict, right? So heading into the future in the next earnings or in year 2021, I'm already predicting they will surpass 500,000 vehicles, hands down, because they might have a full year this time of production, a full 12 months of production. So this year is going to be very incredible, and where a lot of investors are going to be very happy to see the type of growth that Tesla will be having. Okay, so now when it comes to Tesla stock price, guys, right now it's at $820, all right? But I could easily see, even though it did fall 5% because of a lot of analysts, didn't get what they want, they still did beat their revenues. Okay, so I am predicting that this stock will continue to grow over time, and I'm still having my price target around $1,200 a share. Okay, there's still enough room for this company to grow. A lot of people don't understand that Tesla is not just an electric vehicle company. They have many different streams of revenue, guys. They sell solar panels, they have charging stations, they have upgrades, they have different types of vehicles, and there are different types of battery technology that they are producing and selling. They have different streams of revenue, and that's how Tesla is making profit. Tesla is a company of the future, especially that now that Biden is going to be pushing for more electric vehicles and Biden is going to be pushing for more charging stations in the United States. Tesla is going to be a company to reckon with. One of the few concerns I may be having with Tesla is that there's going to be a lot more EV competition out there when it comes to General Motors and Ford, that they're actually trying to step into the EV realm. But Tesla is the #1 player when it comes to electric vehicles right now as it stands, okay? So when it comes to year 2021, Tesla is still going to be outperforming the market. It's still going to be outperforming the average gains of 10% or whatever it is, what a lot of analysts or investors think that year-over-year growth should be. But Tesla is going to be outperforming all those expectations. Tesla will be outperforming and delivering vehicles what analysts and experts or all these investors actually expect. Tesla is going to be making more and more revenue. Like a lot of people are worried about their tax credit that they're selling, but they're still going to be doing it. That's how they're generating another stream of income, okay? Solar panels, charging stations, credits. They're making money either way. And the vehicles, they're making money either way. Tesla is going to be a behemoth from a company in the next 4 or 5 years. Remember, this company was on the verge of bankruptcy, and now this company has a $819 billion market cap evaluation, making it one of the most valued automakers right now out there, okay? And everybody's concerned if Elon Musk is ever going to step down from his CEO chair. He stated on the earnings call that, he has a couple more years in him, okay? That he expects nobody's going to be CEO forever. There's going to be some point in time where he's going to have to take a break and not work day and night, okay? That's what he said, not mine, not my opinion. That's the words that he actually said. So when it comes to Tesla stock, Tesla's going to be in good hands, at least for the next couple of years. And if Elon Musk ever does step down, I'm pretty sure Tesla's going to be in the right hands. Tesla is going to be set up for the future. $1,200 is my price prediction for a Tesla. Right, guys, so I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys got enough information from this video about the earnings. I know it was kind of brief, but the earnings was a little bit brief. They beat revenues. They just didn't meet expectation when it comes to earnings per share. Okay, that was one of the big things. They made over $270 million in revenue. They did announce a new Model X Plaid edition on their new lineup, which is going to be extraordinary. And in year 2021, they're going to be producing their semi trucks. Okay, so Tesla's going to be a great company. I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Please remember, if you guys want to support the channel, want to continue me seeing more, or making more and more videos, please remember you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. All right, guys, please be safe out there. Please wear your mask, and till next time, guys, have a great day. Peace out. Love.